Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to find unique values in your dataset. So in this file, we have columns of country, salesperson, location, category and sales amount. So we want to calculate the unique values from this dataset. So for this purpose, we will use unique function. Suppose we want to calculate unique values for country. So we will type unique and just we will select our array, and that's it. And here we can see that we have three distinct country names. Similarly, we can drag this formula for the salesperson, and we can see that we have four unique different salesperson. And again we will drag this formula and we will got to know that we have four unique locations from this data set. And again when we will drag this formula, we will got to know that we have three unique categories name. I hope you have understood the use of unique function, and the syntax is very simple. Just type unique and select your array, and this function will give you the distinct values. uh, and thank you for watching this video.